All right, hey guys. So I'm back with another quick unboxing. This is a package from K-Pop Town. This is my dream. I can't go with my left hand. This is gonna go so bad. Focus. Okay. This is my dream in a dream. I think that's what it's called. The dream. Oh, photo album right there. Ooh, it's so big. I thought it was gonna be like smaller than this, but I guess that's also what I mean, that's the shipping I paid for, I guess. Oh, it's so heavy. My mom was like, "What's in here?" And I forgot that it was the photo book, and I was like, "Oh, it's CDs." And she's like, "It's really heavy for CDs." All right. So, and there's also a couple more things. I ordered with my friend so that we could split the shipping. So this is mine. This is the NCT Resonance part with Kihno. It's the future version. And then my friend ordered 2 BTS albums. This is Love Yourself. I don't really know about BTS albums that well. So this is the Young Forever BTS. And this is the Love Yourself tier version. O version, young. I don't. Oh, this is the O version, and this is the young. I'm gonna stop myself right there. Anyway, that's for her. She'll come get that at my house. And here is. It's so big. There's no way this is gonna fit on my shelf. This is gonna break my shelf. My really cheap shelf from Amazon. You know, I actually haven't even watched the YouTube video yet. That the behind the scenes one. Yeah, I haven't watched the vlog yet because I didn't want to like spoil myself. I think I mentioned it in the past that I have pretty good self-control, so I really wanted to wait until I got the photo album before I went ahead and watched that video, so I can watch it tonight. Woohoo! Okay, so what should I do first? Let's look at this. Let's look through this. This is so big. I like it more without this cover thing. What's on the back? Oh my god, it's so big. I'm not gonna stop saying that. Yeah, I kind of like it better without the, what is it? Outer page. Oh yeah, it's much nicer. Okay. I hate that it says version 1 because that makes me feel like they're going to release more photo books this size. Okay, so first thing in here is a poster. I haven't seen anything from this. Oh, that's so cute. I love posters or like pictures that don't explicitly show their faces. This is like very my aesthetic, like far shot with a lot of sky or a lot of like, I take a lot of pictures where it's like I'm like this big and then it's like all background. I don't know why. I think I just really like that look. This is really cute and really nicely done. I'm paranoid that I'm not filming. Let's double check real quick. We are. Okay, cool. So it's very cute. Oh, cute. Oh, this is cute too. So it's like a A4, I guess is what it is. And the photo cards. Originally I was thinking that I would only keep Geno and then sell the rest, but I think I'm actually gonna keep all of them. Because why not? I paid for this book, so I might as well. Oh my gosh, should I go through it? I don't think I'm gonna go through it, because it's a lot of pages and this video was supposed to be just a quick one. But I love these pictures. Oh, here's Geno's page. I'll go through Geno's with you guys. So cute. I'm going backwards. Is that? Sorry. Sorry, I can only go backwards. That's just the way my hand works, apparently. Wow. These are nice pictures. I'm so happy that they did a full 7 Dream photo album. Photo book. Cute. I'm scared to bend the spine too much right now. Super cute. Hold on, I want to find like one really cute group picture. Oh, these are so cute. Ooh. So cute. Oh my god, they're so cute, these two. Okay, I'm gonna look at these. Oh my goodness. See? Again with the big background. Is that German just in the back? That's so funny. This must have been so fun to take pictures of. Just outside in the nature with your best buddies. Hey Chan! These are cute. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go through this on my own. Slowly. But that's all it is, right? If I'm not mistaken. Cool. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna ruin this outer thing. Okay, I'm actually gonna pop these out now. This is the best way of doing this. Oh, these are thick. I actually thought because we would pop them out on our own that they would be a lot thinner. I don't know what the best way to do this is. Also, another reason I decided to just keep them all is because they're not, it's like they gave us 9, so that's like a full page. So I'm actually gonna put, I think, like that. Okay. And then cute. We'll keep this in here. I don't know why, but I will. Okay, here are the dragon shields. And let's just... I should show them before I put them in. Here's marks. My nails are gross. I just took off the nail polish, so I don't even know what it looks like right now. I also don't have my display, so I actually have no idea what I'm filming. I don't know if everything's focused. I don't know if anything is centered. I don't know the lighting. We're just going at this blindly because my thing won't hook up. I should show it before I put it in Geno. All the backs are the same, so I'll stop showing the backs. Also, because I just took off my nail polish, my hands are all like dry, so I can't open this. Okay. I bent that. Chan. Oh my goodness, I feel like I keep folding all these shields because my hands are dry as heck. There's no stickiness to it. Jam in. Maybe it's better centered now because I'm looking at my camera as I'm showing it. Tala. I'm so surprised at how thick these are. I feel like they feel like they're thicker than some of the photo cards, like the album photo cards. Jisung. I love these pictures, and I love how uniform it is, that they're all like, it's just like a front shot. Not that the selfies aren't cute, but you know. Here, I'll just show the two group ones together. You can hear the water draining from my dishwasher. That's what it is, in case you hear some noise in the background. Okay, so I actually think this is actually nicer. Well played. Okay, let's put these in. Oh gosh, my hands. Okay. Oh my god, this is such a nice page. Oh my god, I love this page. Well played, SM. Very nice. Okay, so wait, is this? Oh no, this is Tae-il. So let's put this after Jeno. I actually have only one page left. I ordered more. They should be coming tomorrow. Jeno. Did I put it after? Okay, after his bigger inclusions. Okay, amazing. I love it. So a dream page. I'm really excited to get my, what is it, binder indexes? I'm excited. Okay, next. I feel like this is what everyone's been waiting for here. All right, so I think I have the Jungwoo Kihnos already. Sorry, my hand is like, I went snowboarding just now, and not just now. Well, yeah, basically like 4 hours ago, 5 hours ago, I was on the hill. And I don't know what that is. Recycling. Okay, so yeah, so I have Jungwoo's Kihnos for part 1. I was originally only going to collect one of Jeno's, just because his Kihnos are pretty similar, so, but we'll see. So what I hope to get here is Jeno, but I'm not expecting much just because, you know, 23 members, so. Okay, here is the Kihno. I don't think, okay. Oh, it's upside down. I see the logo. Look, not looking. Okay, and then here, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I got Jungwoo. This is my first Jungwoo pull. Wow, this is actually kind of exciting. I almost, oh no, now what? Oh my gosh. That's so funny. I already bought it. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna keep it for sure. It's my first Jungwoo pull ever, card-wise. I got a circle card, but this is my first Jungwoo pull. My goodness. That's so exciting. Ah, I'm so excited. So fun. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I got a Jungwoo pull. Okay. That's not how what the plan was. The plan was to get Geno. But now I'm gonna have 2 of these. Hold on. I don't even remember what I pulled from. Okay, let's see. I'll put him in now, just because he's just one. Yes. Here we go. Right here. I still don't know what I'm doing with this page. Maybe I'll put these here. And I'll put, I like the yearbook. Would be nice in the middle. Oh my gosh, my first ever Jungwoo pull. Hee hee. I was only gonna collect this one, but then I saw this one at a good price, so I bought it. Not here yet, but here he is. Dang, I can't believe I pulled. Yee, so exciting. Okay, well, I mean, that was that. Hooray. Oh my gosh. I'm like in disbelief. Okay, well, that was it. Oh, here, I should look at these. I didn't look at them. I'm actually not that big of a fan of the concept for the first part of Residence. It's not really a math thing. They all look great, but the concept itself is just like a little underwhelming for me. Not that I like really intense stuff, but I don't really understand it. Maybe it's just me, but I didn't really get it. Oh my god, I thought Xiaojun had something like on his hand. Xiaojun. Very nice. Ooh, all their socials. Cool. Awesome. That's amazing. All right, so that was my second Kihno. I've been doing pretty good with Kihno pulls. Cool. Awesome. Okay, well that was it for this mail unboxing. It's not mail unboxing. Well, I guess it is. A package, whatever. And yeah, I'm going to go through this on my own time, and I'm going to finally watch that vlog. Every time I watch like compilations and stuff and I see like a clip from here, the clip I always see is, I'm not sure what was happening, because when I see like, if I'm watching something and that and like footage from this vlog comes up, I'll literally just cover it and I just won't look. And I will wait for that cut to finish and then I'll continue watching. But I think they're either throwing Mark or Jisung into the water. I don't remember. I see it right at the beginning and then I like try to avoid looking at it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go look at this on my own time, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Ew, my nails are gross.